Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is CryptoKrine. So before we dive into this today's video, I would like first to apologize if I have not been active for the last few days. I have not been uploading any videos or any setups in my Twitter account. This is because my schedule has been tight for the past few days. But we don't need to talk about that. What matters is I'm here right now and giving you another Bitcoin update. Okay, so I guess we can now dive in with our Bitcoin chart. So as you can see in my title for this video is I am anticipating a Bitcoin crash to 25,000 to 24,000. Okay, so this is not another clickbait video or adding fun to the cryptocurrency market, but this is me sharing my own opinion about the market. Yes, the market. So I want to remind you that I am not your financial advisor, and you should always trade at your own risk and do your own research. So enough with that, let's dive in with our chart. So I'll share to you first my first perspective with Bitcoin, which is the bear flag formation. Okay, so we have here the daily chart. So right now we are just swinging back and forth with this white line and orange line trend line. As you can see, every time that it touches this orange line, it bounces back. Okay, so and every time it touches this yellow this white line diagonal support, it bounces back. Okay, so right now that is the movement of the Bitcoin. So if let's say that if break to the upside, where is the potential resistance right here? So let's say that this keeps consolidating right here and then able to finally break out from this orange trend line, retest, and the first that it can have resistance is the daily 50 MA, which is around this 35,000 Bitcoin. Okay, so now let's talk why I am anticipating of a crash to 25,000 Bitcoin. Okay, so first is let's zoom out so we can see the bigger picture right here. And yes, let me close first all the drawings. Okay, so as you can see, okay, not the drawings but the indicators. Okay, so as you can see, we are in a bear flag formation. Okay, that is somehow a bear flag formation. Okay, let me go back to there. Okay, so the nature of a flag is a continuation pattern. So right now, since it is the flagpole is a downtrend, the nature of this pattern right here is to continue the trend, which is the downtrend, which is has 60 to 70%. This bear flag formation right here has a 60 to 70% of breaking to the downside or continuing the trend. Okay, so when that happens, where should the support or where should it bounce back? Okay, so as you can see, we are here at the weekly 50 MA. Okay, the prices are holding at the weekly 50 MA, which is actually also a support. You can see right here, support right here, and support right here. Okay, so let's visit the weekly time frame and let's go to here. Okay, this line right here, this moving average is a 50 moving average. As you can see, let me just delete this one. Okay, as you can see, we just tested this 50 MA of the weekly right here. Okay, and then we had the bounce back. But right now we are testing again this moving average, and when this happens, we don't see any good price rejection. Okay, we don't see any price rejection right there, but we will need to wait since it has 3 days first before this weekly candle close up. Okay, so if a support is tested multiple times or more than one in a short period of time, it tends to break down. Okay, that support tends to break. So that's why I am anticipating for this to break down. This bear flag formation right here, I'm anticipating that to break down. Okay, so now let's talk about why what is the support or where it will bounce back. So let's go to our daily chart. Remove this. Okay, so as you can see, the 200 MA is right here. It's that's okay, not that one, this one. This purple moving average is a 200 moving average, and you can see that the prices is already below the 200 moving average. So where can it go? So I am anticipating for the prices to go to the daily 480 moving average right here. This light blue green color or moving average is the 480 MA, which is around 25,300. That's the daily 480 MA. Okay, so that is the what I am anticipating for Bitcoin to happen. Okay, so this flag right here can break down and it can find support in this daily 480 moving average. Okay, so now let's also go to another perspective, which is the bearish pennant that is I think talked about a lot of traders in the Twitter or anywhere else. So let's have that one. Okay. So let me just zoom in first here. So as you can see, if we can also have a triangle right here. So this can be our resistance, trend line resistance right here. So we first tried to break from that and but got rejected and fall to this base right here. Okay, so as you can see, we keep having lower highs. Okay, so what does that mean? So lower highs indicates that the sellers are always taking profit every time that the price goes to this to this trend line right here. Every time every time that the price goes to this white trend line, it bounce back, white trend line bounce back and bounce back and bounce back. And when that happens, this triangle right here will have no space. Let me demo this to you. So when that happens, this triangle right here will have no space. Okay, so let's say that this just continues to bounce and just continues this triangle. Now that this has no place to move on, this is like decision time. Where should it go? Should it break out, retest, and continue to around 35,000? Or it could continue this one and break down, okay, retest and go to our 480 MA. Okay, so you may ask me, what scenario am I anticipating? Of course, I am anticipating a break to the downside. Okay, so the pattern, the nature of the pattern that we are seeing from this triangle or a bearish pennant is a continuation of the trend, which is our trend right now is a short-term downtrend. Okay, so it's 60% to 70% that this will really break down. And you can see that the volume is like that volume it just keeps decreasing. So it is very likely to fall to 25,000. Okay, excuse me. So it's likely to fall to 25,000 Bitcoin. Okay, so you can see here. Let me. Okay. Okay. So now maybe you'll ask me how what are the key points for this setup to be invalidated. So it will be invalidated if a higher high than this high, okay, if the price okay, that's not the brush. If a price let me change that. If a candle closes a higher high than this high right here, okay, this candle close right here. If a candle can close right above this last high around 34,000, it is possible to have a 40,000 Bitcoin. Okay, so if this candle continues to like that one, and then close a high, then this white line right here, it's possible to have a 40,000 Bitcoin. But that is very unlikely to happen. That's why I'm telling you that my opinion right now, or my read in the market right now, is it will break down and go to our 480 daily. Okay, so that's um, the perspective for the bearish pennant pattern. Okay, so let me just go back again to the bear flag pattern. I just want to discuss to you the 480 MA right here. So let me just close the other moving averages. Okay, so we just have this moving average right here. That's the 480 moving average. So why do I say that it's a great support? So let me go back and trace where was the last time that the prices touched that 480 MA. Okay, that's around April 27. If I, yes, this one. Okay, if April 27, 28. April 27 or 28, year 2020, okay, last year. And as you can see, the price break out to the upside from the 200 480 moving average, then retested, as you can see, this red candle right here, and a perfect bullish candle right here. And from that day on forward, we cannot the prices did not touch that moving average anymore. Okay, so that can be a very good support for Bitcoin. Okay, so that's why if the crash happens, I am anticipating for a bounce on the 480 MA. Okay, so you may ask me, is the 25,000 or the 480 daily moving average price will be the bottom of the Bitcoin? I cannot tell you right now because we haven't seen the candles yet, or we haven't seen the indicators or the price action during the market. But what I can tell you right now is it's likely, for my eyes, it's likely to break down to 25,000 or to the 480 moving average. And if that happens, I will do another Bitcoin update and see if we can see this monthly 20 MA, which is around 22,000 Bitcoin. And until then, I cannot tell you anything. Okay, so I think that's the end of this video right now. Oh, before I forgot, I decided not to give any setups for now because as you can see, I'm anticipating a crash, and when that happens, the setups will be wrecked. Okay, so maybe I will just update some charts in my Twitter account. So make sure to follow me at CryptoKrine. Okay, and in our group, we are just somehow shorting the markets or doing some quick trades with longs. So in spot trading. Okay, so I guess that's the end of the video, and please trade wisely and trade at your own risk, and please be wise and be safe in trading. So see you in the next video, and goodbye. Thank you for watching.